Namaste everyone. Welcome to the class. Now let us see question number 20. Question number 20 is, in a bank, principal increases continuously at a rate of R% per year. Find the value of R if rupees 100 double itself in 10 years. Okay, so if I consider principal BP at time t, so let P be the principal at time t. So therefore dp upon dt, rate of increase of principal, is equals to R% of principal P. So therefore dp upon dt is equals to R upon 100 into P. So I will keep all P terms with dp. So it is 1 upon P into dp is equals to R upon 100 into dt. Therefore integration of 1 upon P dp is equals to R upon 100 into integration of dt. Therefore we integrate it, we get log P is equals to R upon 100 into T plus C. Now they have given some information that rupees 100 doubles itself in 10 years. So if 100 is initial amount, so when I will say that when T is 0, P is 100. So therefore log 100 will become R upon 100 into T plus some constant. Now T is 0, na? So value of T is 0. We put R upon 100 into 0 plus C. So therefore the value of C becomes log 100. Now this amount becomes double in 10 years. So when T is equals to 10 year, this amount P becomes 200. So therefore again I have log of 200 is equals to R upon 100 into 10 plus the value of C is log 100. So therefore I will say that log of 200 minus log of 100 is equals to R upon 100 into 10. So this and this will cancel. So therefore I have log of 200 divided by 100 is equals to R upon 10. So log 200 upon 100 is what? Log 2. So therefore I will say that log 2 is equals to R upon 10. Now if you see your question, it is mentioned that log 2 is 0.6931. The value of log 2 is 0.6931. This becomes R upon 10. So the value of R becomes 0.6931 into 10 is equals to 6.931. This is the value of R. R is 0.931. So therefore I will say that required rate of interest is 6.931. So here if rate of interest is 6.931, your amount will become double after 10 years. This is what we conclude from this problem. Okay. Now 21st problem is again similar to problem number 20. In a bank, principal increases continuously at a rate of 5% per year. An amount of rupees 1000 is deposited with this bank. How much it will worth after 10 years? So in the reverse way, but rate of interest is given and I have to find out the value after 10 years. initial amount is 1000. So here 21st question, again here we can say that let P be the principal at time t. So therefore dp upon dt is 5% of P. So therefore dp upon dt is equals to 5 upon 100 into P. So pi upon 100 is 1 upon 20. So 1 upon 20p. So therefore 1 upon P dp is equals to 1 upon 20 dt. Therefore integration of 1 upon P dp is equals to 1 upon 20 integration of dt. Therefore I will get the value of log P is equals to 1 upon 20 the value of t plus c. Log P is equals to 1 upon 20 t plus c. Okay. So when t is 0, my amount is 1000 rupees. So it is given that when t is 0, P is 1000. Therefore log of 1000 is equals to t is 0. So we will put 0. So we will get the value of c as log of 1000. So therefore we say that log of 1000 is equals to log of 1000 no log of P. We say that log of P is equals to 1 upon 20 t plus log of 1000. Now it is asked that what it worth. We have to find value of P when t is 10 year. So when t is 10 years, I have log P is equals to 1 upon 20 into 10 plus log 1000. So this will cancel and I will get log P is equals to 0.5 log 1000. So this is equal to log P, or what else we can do? We can bring this log 1000 towards left. Okay, here we have plus sign. Okay, right now. So therefore we have log P minus log 1000 is equals to 0.5. Therefore log P divided by 1000 is equals to 0.5. Therefore P upon 1000 is equals to e power 0.5. This is by using definition of logarithm we can convert this log form to exponential form. Why I have converted in exponential form? So if you see your problem, 0 e power 0.5 is given 1.648. So e power 0.5 is this is equals to 1.648. So 1.648. So therefore the value of P is 1.648 into 1000 is equals to 1648. So my amount will become 1648 after how many years? 10 years. After 10 years the amount will become 1648. Okay, at a rate of 5%. Okay, fine. Now let us move to the next question. In a culture, the bacteria count is 1 lakh. The number is increased by 10% in 2 hours. In how many hours will the count reaches 2 lakh? If the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number present. So again here I will say that let P be the number of bacteria at time t. Let P be the number of bacteria at time t. So therefore it is given that this number dP upon dt is equals to, it is increasing at a rate of 10%. It is increased by 10% in 2R. So 10% of P in 2R. So if I see what is per R increase is per unit time, it is 5%, that is 5% of P in 1 hour. So this I will say that 5 upon 100 into P. This is dP upon dt. Okay. Is anything given? If the rate of growth of bacteria is proportional to the number present, and how many hours will the count reaches 2 lakh, we need to find out. Okay. So here again dP upon P, therefore I have dP upon P is equals to, here it is 1 upon 20 into dt. So we will integrate on both the sides. 1 upon P dP is equals to 1 upon 20 integration of dt. Therefore I have log P is equals to 1 upon 20 into T plus there is some constant C. So log P is equals to 1 upon 20 T plus C. Now initially the number of bacteria is 1 lakh. So when T is 0, P is 1 lakh. So therefore log of 1 lakh is equals to C, because T is 0. So I have log of P is equals to 1 upon 20 T plus log of 1 lakh. Therefore I will say that log of P upon 1 lakh is equals to 1 upon 20 T. Now I have to find कि after how many hours this number will become 2 lakh. So when P is 2 lakh, then we have to find the value of T. So therefore log of, we put value of P as 2 lakh, and here it is 1 upon 20 T. We have to find this value of T. So therefore I get log 2 is equals to 1 upon 20 T. So therefore value of T is equals to 20 into log 2. Now if you know the value of log 2 is fine, otherwise you write time is 20 into log 2. So as in this problem they have not mentioned the value of T, we can keep this as it is, or if log table is provided to you, using log table you can find its value. It is 20 into, now in previous problem we have seen the value of log 2 is given. The value of log 2 given is 0.6931. So I will use that value 0.6931. So this will give me 2 1 the 2, 2 3 the 6, 2 9 the 18, 1 2 6 the 12, 1 13. So this is 1 2 3 4. So 20 multiplied by this is, so we get 13.8 13.862. So after 13.862 hours, my number of bacteria will become 2 lakh. Right? Okay, now let us see this last question of this exercise. The general solution of a differential equation is, we have to find general solution of dy upon dx is equals to e power x plus y. So dy upon dx is given e power x plus y. So therefore what you say, you will say, you can write this as e power x into e power y, so that we can separate y with dy and x with dx. So here I will say that 1 upon e power y dy will become e power x into dx. So therefore integration of 1 upon e power y dy will become integration of e power x dx. Therefore I will say that integration of e power minus y dy is equals to integration of e power x dx. Now I will integrate, and I have therefore minus of e power minus y is equals to e power x plus some constant. Okay, so therefore we have e power x plus e power minus y is equals to some constant. So let us see the option. E power x plus e power minus y is equals to C. So this first option is the correct answer. So we will get some kind of constant. So here if I consider this as C1, better we consider this as C1. So here e power x plus e power minus y equal to, this will go on that side and become minus C1. That minus C1 I can write as C. So my option A is the correct answer. So yes, we have solved all the problems. Now we have seen that word problems are not difficult. Okay, only you have to understand which differential equation is given, and then you have to find general solution as usual, right? Okay, so thank you for being with me. By this we have solved all the problems of exercise 9.4. Now we will see you in the next class with exercise 9.5, where we discuss homogeneous equations and homogeneous differential equation, and how we calculate solution for homogeneous differential equation. Thank you.